Hello and welcome to World of Warcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 6th of December. We did a 6-beat basket, a first move slide, turning Charleston kicks and a yo-yo spin past. If you want teaching information for any of those moves, links in the description below, and this clip will show you how everything joins together. Now the first move slide and the turning Charleston kicks are both technically first move variations, so we joined the two of them together. So we didn't exit and come back into the first move. So the whole lot together looks like this. We started off left to right for the 6-beat basket. It goes 7 and 8. Offer, wrap, twist, forwards, away and twist. First move slides. In a twist we get slide, slide, twist and slide, slide. Turning Charleston. Starts with a straight Charleston. Did a couple of sets to set the rhythm up. And then from there we get our preparation and our turning Charleston. Did one more Charleston to finish. Exiting the first move as usual with a turn, switched hands, return for the yo-yo spin past. We come in, out, spin through and catch. And that was the whole thing. Hope you find that useful. If you do find it useful, do consider liking and subscribing, and if you hit the notification bell you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Warcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.